Hello, I'm Sarah Berry and I'm from Berry Creative Mosaics. I'm a mosaic artist based in France and I make wall art, sculptures for the garden, custom business signs, anything basically in mosaic. It's a wonderful art form and I absolutely love it. And for this reason, I have created 2 mosaic kits so that people can try the art form in the comfort of their own home. Here's an idea of one of the kits for the box that you'll get. I've come up with 2 designs so far. Let's take a look at them. So this is the first design. This is kit number 1, Design Bright Floral. And this is what you can make using one of the kits. No cutting required. No mosaic experience required. Any level can do this. But because there are some sharp edges, I'm suggesting an age group of 14 and above. Beautiful quality. The tiles are gorgeous. There's a mixture of ceramic and glass tiles in there. And it's honestly, it's just so nice to make. So that's the first design, Bright Floral number 1. The second design, kit number 2, is what I'm calling Blue Mandala. And you can see how the light reflects on some of those tiles there. It's gorgeous. My favourite colours, which is why I've put this colourway together at the moment. I will be producing kits in an alternative colourway as well, probably in the new year, to be fair. But this one again, gorgeous, lovely, lovely colours. A mixture of ceramic and glass again here. Same thing, there are some tiles with some sharp edges, so I am suggesting age 14 and above. But no experience needed. Everything is provided in the box. Okay, so let's delve into the box. Okay, so let's take a look inside one of the kit boxes. This is an example showing the bright floral design. And here's the contents of the box. Obviously, when you receive a box, you'll see some packing inside to keep everything in place during postage. And so that I can be as ecologically friendly as possible, I'm using these eco-friendly packing chips. They're made from a vegetable oil or vegetable substrate, and they are good for the environment. So I'm packing with those, and they're also really lightweight, which keeps the cost down on postage. Okay, so the exciting bit in the box for me initially, and I'm sure for many people, would be the tiles that you use to make the design. So the first bag, this is the little jute bag, and it has all the tiles that you need to make the bright floral design. So that's the first thing that's included. Then we have some quality metal tweezers to help position tiles. We obviously have the board to glue the tiles to, which has been pre-marked as a guide to help you position some of the tiles in the first instance. On the back, there's the D-ring with the screw so that you can fix that, and you've got a hanging point. Full instructions are given here in the printed instruction leaflet, including the full colour image so that you can follow where to place particular colours and tiles. But inside you'll see full instructions with some images to give you a feel. Instructions are also available in French as a downloadable PDF. Just need to scan the little barcode there. Okay. Once you've placed all the tiles on the board using the quality wood glue, the next stage will be to grout. And you've got the mixing cup, the grout powder, and the disposable gloves to do that. Again, full instructions are noted there so that you can follow and do everything as recommended by me. And you should, in the end up with something looking like this. And isn't it gorgeous? Who doesn't want to make that? So there we are. That's the mosaic kits that I have to offer. If you have any questions, please add to comments. And if you'd like to place an order, you can find me on Etsy, or you can send me a PM here on Facebook, or visit my website, berrycreativemosaics.com. where you can place a full order, and there's other examples of wall arts for sale and things like that as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.